happy you jumped on because this video, you guys, is absolutely, she's gorgeous, but I have to tell you a little story. But I'm going to tell you about her first and then get to the story at the end. But she is my niece. Her name is Mikenlee. We call her Lou, and she's actually been like my little girl, serious. I had 3 boys at first and never had any little girls. And so she has been my little girl that I would always do her hair. Like my sister was not into doing hair and she's like, what am I gonna do with a little girl? Like, I don't know how to do hair. And so I had her all the time doing her hair. I'd sit her up on my counter and do it. And anyway, she is like my girl. So I just love her so much. But the secret behind this, which I wanted you guys to see her gorgeous hair, how she curls it, what products she used to make it look like that. But the secret behind this video is super fun. And I can say it now because it's going to happen. But that night she is getting engaged and she doesn't know, obviously. And so of course we wanted her hair to be done because she would want that. So we love her enough to try to come up with something to make sure her hair is curled and done. So I asked her to come and do that video to show all of you guys, but it's so fun because she had no idea that she was getting engaged that night. So that was the secret behind the video, is her engagement. And we wanted her hair done for her because that's obviously what she would want for all her pictures and stuff. So it's fun. Now, after this happens, we'll have to maybe post her or a picture, a little video of her ring to show you and kind of go over about how I hid this secret from her, just making sure her hair was done because that's what she would want. But anyway, we will try to get that on here so you guys can see her gorgeous ring. And anyway, that's just a really fun story, and I wanted to share that with you guys so you can just be a part of my life. So anyway, thanks again, you guys, for watching. Go ahead, jump on the email list so you can get in on any deals or giveaways or my newsletter. So thanks again. I appreciate it, you guys, so much. You guys are awesome friends, and I'll talk to you next time. Thank you. Hello, friends. So I have Mikenlee with me, and she is my niece. She's been like mine since she was tiny. I would set her on the counter. I know this is sorry for you, but I would sit her on the counter and I'd round brush her hair, and then I would rat it, like back comb it, and my sister would always get mad because she'd be like, well, why does she let you back comb it? She cries when I do it because I'm her favorite. But anyway, so she's just so special, but she's gorgeous. And I wanted her to show you guys how she styles her hair and how she went from having really oily hair to having to wash it every day. She'd have to wash it every day, and she'd just feel like it's flat to her head. And so now she has been using the black 2-in-1. Brightens her blonde. It takes the oil out of her hair, and it really helps it grow nice, obviously. So anyway, she has already curled this side. This side isn't curled yet, but I wanted her to show you how she curls it and what product she uses on it. And this is day 4? 4. Day 4. Hi, who doesn't want gorgeous, lazy hair, right? We don't want to have to get up and wash and dry it and do it every single day, especially when you have this long of hair. So anyway, it has totally saved her. It's been fun to watch. So anyway, I wanted her to show you. So I'm going to step out of the camera, and she's going to show you how she curls it and stuff. And then I'll just come back in a minute. So, okay. Go ahead,
so, yeah, like she said, I usually used to have to wash my hair like every single morning, which sucked because wash it, blow dry it, whatever. Now I usually can get away with like 4 or 5 days in between, which is so nice. I use her dry shampoo, which is amazing. You guys all need to try it. That not only helps with the like greasiness when it gets greasy, that takes that away, but it also helps with like the volumize, like makes it more volumized, I guess. Along with the texturing spray, which I also use, which is awesome. So when I curl my hair, I just brush it out really good. I just separate it in 2 pieces down each side. I always curl like away from my face, which I will show you that, what I'm talking about. If So I just get little pieces about this size and I wrap it away so the hair is going away from my face like this. And I always leave a little tail at the end. I feel like it just makes it look like a looser wave, kind of, more of a, not so tight. So I just pull it out like that. I'll just hurry and finish curling this side. So I find myself curling my hair a lot just because I don't wash it every day, which my hair is very, very flat. So I get out of the shower and my hair just dries perfectly straight. No curl, no volume at all, which is nice in some cases, but when I don't wash it all the time, I like to do stuff with it. It makes it a little easier. And with dirty hair, my my curls tend to stay longer, whereas if it was like freshly washed, they usually tend to fall out or get a lot flatter faster, which is nice to have curls that stay. And then usually on my front pieces, I'll show you, like right here, I usually like to leave this a little bit straight just so it kind of, I don't know, sits better on my face. So on my curl, I usually just start it about right here on my curling wand and leave that. Okay, so now it's all curled. I usually let it sit for a little bit and then I will kind of brush it out, get the curls apart so they're not all like the same curl. But I do like to straighten my ends too, just so they're straight to make it look looser, more of like a wavy curl. So after it sits for a little bit, I'll just run my fingers through it. Get all the curls separated like this. All right. And then I do the two pieces again. And I get the dry shampoo after I got it curled, and I will just go through it underneath. Just seems to volumize it, give it a little bit of, I don't know, texture, I guess you could say. Then I just go through up here, just spray this just throughout my roots. Rub it in. After you spray it, just rub it. And then after I do that, I go back in with the texturizing spray. So with this, I just break it off into sections like this. I spray a little bit, rub it in. You guys can already see how much like volume it gives you just without even any like ratting. Spray it again. And I just do that all around. My head, spray, rub. I usually do about 2 sections. So I go down about this far, spray it, rub it in, and then I'll do one more closer to my part. Right there. Spray that, rub it in. And then I usually go in with like a pick comb. Is that what it's called? Pick comb. And I'll just like get little sections and just give it like a little bit of volume like this, and you can see how much, because I'm not a big ratter, I don't like big rats, but I do like a little bit of volume, which this is perfect for. So after I get the amount of volume that I want, get the amount that I want, you know, just a little volume, and then I go in with the hairspray, and just like the dry shampoo, I go up under my curls, just spray it, kind of spread them out a little bit, give it, just tease it a little bit, give it a little bit of like, I don't know, volume, character, I don't know. Then I just go in, spray, spray with the hairspray. And that is it.
Okay, so like gorgeous, right? Unbelievable. So Lou, thank you. You're a pro. Like you just,
thank you.
Dang, that is good. So yeah, that is so gorgeous. And I'm so glad that she like showed you guys how full she can get it with long straight hair. Like she has straight hair. So I'm gonna have her turn around. Go ahead and just turn around. And you can see how full that is and how gorgeous. So, okay, oh my gosh, I'm excited. So thanks, oh, I call her Lou. Her nickname's Lou. We call her Lou all the time. But anyway, thank you so much. You're gorgeous. And I just wanted to show her off and her gorgeous hair. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Go ahead and get on the email list. There's a link below. And we'll let you in on any deals on our product, or if you have any questions about our product, let us know. So thanks, Lou.
Thanks.
Okay, have a good day. See ya.